you want to launch a space rocket, right, this is the van for you.
So, we don't normally do this, but somebody reached out to us. They've built their own camper van and basically said, Luke, can you do a video for us on our camper van and can you sell it for us? And what did we say, Kev?
Yes. Actually, we were quite impressed when we looked at it, weren't we?
So it's a Peugeot Boxer, Kev.
Yeah.
160,000 miles. It's 2019 2 litre. It looks like a camper.
Yeah.
We've got gasket.
Yeah.
Alloys.
Yeah.
Cassette toilet. It's all the cleaning stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
Basically. So we'll put that
Never
back
been
in.
used.
It's not been used.
Hey, look. What the lights round
Oh, just you. Go round the other side, because it's got lights as well.
Go on. Oh yeah, yeah. The back as well.
Ready?
Yeah.
See that?
That's nice, isn't it?
Yes, we've got the 2 lights this side as well.
You'd have no trouble finding your van on the site at night, would you?
No. How cool will that be at night?
Yeah. I like the graphics as well. They're not over the top, are they?
No. Did I mention the LPG?
Yeah.
So it's a gasket
Underslung.
underslung. Yeah. We'll get into the rest of the stuff as we get into it. It's had a full engine service, it's had the discs done, it's had the cam belt and water pump done. It has got the provisions there for a drive-away awning as well.
I'll tell you one thing I did notice. You know when you told me to put a hook up in it, and
Yeah.
I couldn't find where to put it. It's disguised in the bumper. How good's that?
Kev, you can see that from a mile away.
I didn't have my glasses on.
I do like where it's been put though.
I do, yeah. What have we got here? Hang on.
There's no electric step.
USBs.
Okay. USBs.
USBs.
Oh, let me show you something.
Yeah, what's that?
Let me show you something. Let's take that back.
That's handy when you sit outside, isn't it? Chair, beer.
Nice little table.
Yeah.
You like that? What's that? Sitting here, dazzled by my light. Yeah?
Yeah, I like that.
You like that? I haven't finished, Kev.
No.
I haven't finished. Lift up. Oh, my chair's in the way. And then I've got a little
bolt.
bolt that goes across.
Yeah, like a burger van then. A relish on mine and onions.
So there we go. So, while you're there, you did mention it's got a pop top.
I did.
But you wouldn't have thought so inside, would you?
Oh no.
Concealed. Concealed.
It's a trap door.
Right. So, Kevin, let's get this out. Let's get this out. Because then it might look even more like a camper van. Up we go.
Yeah. And it's not like you need it for headroom in the van, so it's got to be for sleeping.
No. And
I'll pass you the camera.
if you can just see above there, we have the sleeping area there, Kev. And I've just spotted something else as well.
The ladder.
Ladder.
That's one of them collapsible little ones.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That's good.
You like that, Kev?
Yeah. It's different, isn't it?
Oh.
Oh. Ah, right.
Lifting all up.
Yeah.
Right, so let's start at the front then, Kev. Before we're at it, we've got a little bit of storage
Yep.
below. Happy with that?
Yep.
We'll just do the cab. Media pack, pretty standard aircon as well with 6-speed. And we have got a reversing camera there as well.
Yep.
Don't forget, this has been done by a chap. We're also getting blind across as well.
Done it all himself.
Yeah.
Tell you what, it's gone to town on this,
I
hasn't
haven't
it?
got to go to town, Kev. That's why we're showing it. 2 bars there.
When you mentioned 2 bars, my eyes lit up then.
2 bars. There we go. Collapsible. Oh, it's all thing. You can see it. So there we go.
That's your dining table, yeah.
Dining table there. We have got the belted seats.
Yep. So It's got 4 belted seats.
4 belted seats. That's quite nice as well.
Quite roomy, isn't it? Yeah.
Aren't they? Nice.
Nice upholstery.
So let's have a look. They come over.
Oh.
Oh, look what we've got here. We've got a trim of water heater, Kevin.
Trim of water heater.
Yeah.
Again, no expense spared.
No expense spared, as you rightly say. We've also got another one here.
Yeah.
So what does that mean?
It's a table for me. Nice and low.
Now, how simple is this, Kev? Let me show you.
If you can do it, Jason, it's got to be simple.
Thanks, Kev. We drop that down. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that as well.
Oh, shade cushion.
Shade cushion.
So you got a single bed.
I've got a bed. So we're on a 3-berther. Okay. Couple of spotlights there. Couple of hatches. Got the hatch there.
Nice catches then.
Oh, aren't they? Couple of hatches there. We've got, what have we got here? Oh, here we go. Bit of mood there, Kev.
Mood lights.
Ooh.
Lights up there. Yeah.
Bit of mood up there. Yep.
Got another one there, Jason.
Okay.
Oh,
there.
Yep.
We've got.
I think that's a tank heater, Jason.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's pump. Pump. Now, here's the gas it. Press the button.
I've got a full tank of gas.
Full tank. Water. Press the button. Full tank of water.
Nice, simple.
And now, over here, trim heater. We've got heating. We've got hot water. Microwave.
Microwave.
Yep. Sink. Sturdy tap.
Yeah.
Yep. And then we get in
3-burner hob.
3-burner hob.
Combined oven grill.
Yeah. Storage in there. What was the length of it? 6 metres this is.
That's good.
We're getting storage there.
Yep.
What we've got down there, Kev?
Compressor fridge. A nice little compressor fridge. Very economical then. I like it. It's been well finished, hasn't it?
Anted. Would you like to venture forth into the next part of the van?
Just take your time with them doors. Because I know what you're like. We've got a wet room.
A proper wet room. Look.
Yeah, what is wet?
That's Kevin's fault.
That was your fault.
Kevin's fault. Yeah. We're getting some little blue mood lighting. Inty winty. Yep.
Wash basin.
Yep. Look at this.
Shower.
Yeah.
Proper shower that as well.
It's
not been used.
Now, if you notice, that's where obviously that hangs up there. And we've got the tap, which I've just drained out. You're going to show me something now, Kev, aren't you?
I am, yeah.
I'm going to swap over. Now, you really earlier on in the planning meeting, said how much you like this.
So we turned off there now.
No. Why do you like the wet room?
Why do I like the wet room?
Yeah.
Disabled. Somebody disabled. Look at the room you've got here.
Yeah.
This is huge.
Good for getting dressed.
Dressing room. Really good sized wet room. There's your drain there. Down there, yeah.
Got it,
you don't even need to swivel the toilet out of the way.
No.
You close your doors. You've got a curtain at the back. Ideal.
I like that, don't you?
Alright, that's a bit low there, but I've got the same thing on my van. I like the trigger shower because you don't leave the
more for rinsing off, isn't it?
You wet yourself, soap yourself, rinse yourself. You don't leave it running all the time. You've got a limited amount of storage anyway of water. So you don't need it all the time. So these trigger ones are great.
Right, so tell me what's special about that trigger one.
But with this one, if I take this off, if I unscrew that off there,
that.
do it over there so we don't get everywhere wet.
And it's really important you have to screw that on there, Kev, isn't it?
It is. I'll show you why in a minute. Because what?
Studley.
Right, there we go. Right, so we screw that back on there. There's a reason for that. Yeah?
Yep.
Which doesn't seem plainly obvious, but if you follow me to the back of the van.
I'm following. Does one need to put the pump on?
Not yet.
Oh, okay. This leads into a perfect opportunity as well as to check out the back of the van.
It does.
Outside. Okay.
Spare wheel on the back.
Really?
Really. Good idea actually, instead of grovelling underneath in the wet.
It's a very good idea actually.
We'll go to the back of the van.
Kev, that's a big area for just putting your tap. Why didn't you just leave it in the sink? Oh, I see.
Got your little doggy with you?
Yeah. Little doggy.
Little doggy. Been for walkies. All muddy woody.
Yeah.
Dirty paws. Been rolling in cow,
with their ears.
rolling in cow muck or something like that, yeah? You don't want it in the van, do you? Eh? You really don't want it in the van. No. So now, if we go and turn the shower on and turn the pump on, then we get the shower like that, and then we go like that.
Kev!
You had muddy paws. Come on, muddy paws. Come on.
I can't believe you've just done that.
Muddy paws.
I'm going to stay wet now all day.
I haven't. You lie in the sun. You'll be sat down in the sun anyway when I've gone. Right, so that's... What do you think of that?
Just good idea. We've got more kit on here, Kev.
Than Cape Canaveral.
We've got shower power. We've got waving oven. Microwave oven. That was supposed to be. I bet you couldn't put the micro. Could have put micro there, couldn't he? We've got the pump. We've got the 230 trips as well. So there's. Oh, hang on. Let's put that back. This is going to be where the leisure battery is.
Yeah.
Okay. Going to move to the other side. Giving NASA a run for his money here.
And right.
Solar.
Yep.
We've got a DC to DC charger. We've got the smart controller for the solar. We've got a lot of electrics in there.
I like your technology, your terminology.
Got a lot of electrics in there.
Right, it's plainly obvious with all that wiring that there's a lot of electrics in there.
Now, the problem is, Kev, people don't like us getting technical.
No.
Do you know what I mean? No. So we could go on forever being technical. What's that do? It's a light switch.
Light switch. That is technical, isn't it? It's a light switch.
We've got 12 volts there as well.
Yeah.
We've got fully automated lights there and a lot of electrics.
I've just noticed what else is a trapdoor there behind you. Is that more storage?
I don't know.
Never seen that before. Oh no.
Oh. It's a something for putting all your electrics on. So there's a lot of kit that's been done in here. As you can see, we've got all the electrics. We've got a great shower.
The pump's off.
And let's carry on with the tour to the back of the van. More storage.
More storage there, yeah.
As well. Cupboards with more power.
Yeah.
Cupboard.
Yep.
And then we can pull this out. We can pull this out.
Which makes a large double.
Which makes, like Kevin says, a large double.
Yeah.
With the TV.
TV.
Yeah. So we're now on, what are we on? We've got 2 berths above.
2 berths above.
1 berth.
1 berth.
2, 5 berths.
5 berths in a 6 metre van.
We've got
USBs, is it?
USBs there. We've also got a fan. If I switch it on, it opens up.
Automatically opens.
Yeah. As you can see. There it goes, it works. And the skylights open up. Now if I press the button, seat turning around, it's automatically closing. I don't know, Kev, I broke it.
Oh yeah, I'm using the remote.
One thing I've not been able to do, Kev, I've not been able to do these lights. I can't find a switch for them.
Got to be a switch.
I can't.
All these?
Them, I can't.
Just a gentle touch.
Oh, little stroke.
Little stroke. Oh, you can even do the outside.
Look at that.
How good's that? And just a touch, off it goes. That's different, isn't it? And they're all the same. That one's the same.
Oh, Kev.
Yeah. And then just touch it to turn it off. One touch to turn off.
Hey, I could stop here all day.
No, you could, yeah. The others are the same in the front.
Are we?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got a couple of switches here as well, Kev. Yeah, we can turn all the lights and everything off.
So, no, I tell you what, this is a nice conversion.
You'd buy it just for these lights, wouldn't you? What do you think? Hey, we've never seen a layout or anything like this before.
No.
Basically, we haven't seen a camper van with all this kit on before.
No.
It's got everything you need, basically. We've got a pop top roof, which makes a massive difference, which can be used as a bed. We've got emergency bed, nice, simple, easy to make bed. We've also got the double bed at the back.
But the icing on the cake is where you stood now, mate.
Yes.
This wet room is... I've never...
But like you say, it doesn't have to be a wet room. It could be a changing room. It could be anything. If we're not showering up, we possibly could put the coat hangers up for your clothes and everything else. We've got heating. We've got hot water. We've got little tablies.
There's nothing compromised in it. You know, you get a 6 metre van conversion.
Yes.
Then they stick a shower room on the one side. Right. It restricts your area inside the van.
But this doesn't.
And then you've got a tiny wet room.
Kev, it's a bedroom with an ensuite.
Yeah. And what a big... I love it. Honestly, I really like this shower room.
It's not by a main brand or anything like that, because if a popular brand was doing this, this would be an expensive van. Yeah. But it's been really well thought of and really well done. This is something you can live in full time. Yeah. I think if I hadn't got the van I've got now, I'll be having this one. Here's one for you. Let us know in the comments, what hasn't it not got? Yeah. What has he not got? It's got everything. Yeah. It's brilliant. Fair dues. It's brilliant, isn't it? The more we've spent in this van, the more you're like, yeah, this works, that works. And how many vans have we been into, Kev? Is it a local chap that built this? No, he's not local. No, further up north he is. But it's a crack. Oh, well, he'd have to be from up north because we're clever up north. Don't tie yourself. Have we got a value on this? I think he's wanted anywhere up to 50,000 for it. It says a 2019 as well. So it's on the new cab and everything. Well, with all the kit that's on it, Jason, there's thousands of pounds worth of kit. And the design that's been done. Just the electronics alone, you're probably looking 4 grand. Yeah. More. I don't know. Just for the electronics. It's got everything. See the next video. We should compare this van to a manufacturer's built van. Okay. And see what difference you get. Have we got one similar length? Yeah. See you later. Well, you won't get one same layout. See you. Bye.